Welcome to MeChat Universe. This is a quick introductory video about how to write, share, and print a business plan using our platform. We're building a virtual school where people can write and save their business plans. Inside MeChat Universe, you'll find tools to format, organize, and write your ideas down online. You can format your thoughts by headings and then save your business plan to the cloud for later. Then, when ready, students and clients only need to log in to access their business plan and quickly share the private link so others can review it. You can use our virtual school to write a business plan for free. We only ask that you provide us with feedback so we can make our free business plan writer even better. If you would like to use MeChat Universe for free, just go to www.mechat.us and sign up to start writing for free. Now I'm going to let Raza show you guys how to use the Writing Lab and text editor to write your business plan. Hi Raza, you got it from here.
Hi, it's Raza Hussain, and today I'm going to give you a demonstration about how you can write your business plan template in MeChat Universe. So first of all, there are chapters. You can click on edit and you will see this text area or editor. So you can style it, you can write anything over here about the executive summary of your business. So for the demo purposes, I used AI. So I can save it. So my data is updated.
Real quick, Raza, I want to show them how to paste the data from logging in. I'm going to use AI also, but this time I'm going to ask it to build a business plan for a restaurant. Now that the data is in, I'm going to save it for later. Now when it's time for class or my next business coaching session, I can easily share and access my plan. Next, Raza is going to show you how to share and print your business plan directly from the Writing Lab.
Now I can share it with someone with this shareable link, and I have to give the key to that user so they can read it. Otherwise, no one can get access with this link. So I'm going to open this thing. So I have to put a secret key over here to view that business plan template. So I have to give that key to the user whom I'm going to share. So after validating the key, user can see your business plan template. Now let's go next for the print. You can print or save it. You can save it into the PDF or you can print it from here. So you will see your business plan template like that. You can adjust your margins, you can print header and footers, you can print backgrounds, whatever you like. So this is all about how you can write your business plan template.
Thanks, Raza. Before we go, can you add anything to it, filmmaking Antonio James?
Plus, you can access your private template 24/7 anytime and anywhere you are in the world, including the film studio.
Well, hope this video will help you get started. For a free demo, you can email us at info@mechat.us. We'll see you inside.